In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Zoom on Windows 11. To get started, open your preferred web browser on your Windows 11 computer. You can use any browser you normally like, as long as you're able to access the internet. Once your browser is open, go to the official Zoom website. It's important to use the official site so you know you're downloading the correct and most secure version of the app. When the website loads, look for the download option, or go directly to the Zoom Workplace app download page. Zoom may refer to its desktop app as Zoom Workplace, so don't be confused if you see that name during the process. From there, choose the installer for Windows and begin the download. Depending on your browser, you may see the file appear in the Downloads bar or inside your Downloads folder. After the download finishes, open the installer file you just downloaded. This will start the installation process. If Windows shows a permission prompt asking whether you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, click Yes to continue. That's a normal part of installing software on Windows 11. Now just wait a moment while Zoom installs on your computer. The installation usually only takes a short time. Once it's complete, Zoom Workplace should open automatically. If it does, that's a good sign that the installation was successful and the app is ready to use. When Zoom opens, you'll have the option to sign in if you already have an account. If you've used Zoom before, just click Sign In and enter your account details on the sign in page. If you don't already have an account, click Sign Up and follow the on-screen instructions to create one. Take your time here and make sure you follow the prompts carefully. At this point, Zoom is installed and ready to use on your Windows 11 PC. You can now join meetings, host calls, or explore the app's features from the desktop version. One final tip. For security reasons, always download Zoom only from the official Zoom website or from the Microsoft Store. Avoid downloading installers from third-party websites since they may not be safe or up to date. And that's all it takes to install Zoom on Windows 11. Once you've completed these steps, you should be ready to start using Zoom right away.